Hello everyone, this printer is Canon MG3650S. To show you how to copy documents from your mobile phone with this printer, you need to connect the printer and mobile phone via a wireless network or Wi-Fi direct. In this case, we connected the printer and mobile device via Wi-Fi network. So we're going to do the copy from the app. The benefit of it is instead of copying documents from the control panel, tapping 4 times or 5 times as the case may be to the number of paper you want to copy. But with the app, you can select up to 99 in one go. So to copy the document, put the document you want to copy on the glass scanner face down. Make sure the document starts from the top left. Close the cover. Select copy. Select change settings. Select number of copies. Select the size of the paper. Media type, plain paper, zoom, sense size, print quality. You can select draft or can select standard or draft. Standard is selected, then you go back. You decide if you want to copy black copy or color. So let's say I want to copy color. Select copy color. Then it will ask you enter the password. If you are not sure the password, refer to online manual. If you want to get the password for the printer, we're going to print out network configuration report. So press and hold the Wi-Fi button. The power light is flashing. Release the button, then press the Wi-Fi button again, then wait. It will print out network report. So this is network configuration report. The password we need from the network configuration report, so network configuration page. So we have the password. So I'm going to enter the password. So we show you default password. Once you put the password, then you select OK. So it will start copying the document. So the document is copying. This is the document we copied in color, just single page. We'll show you completed, then you select OK. You can go on, if you want to copy double-sided, put the document on the tray with the area printed already face up. So reload the paper on the tray. Then the next thing to do is you put the document you want to copy. So we're going to copy this face down. Then select if you want to copy color or want to copy black. And also go to the settings. If you select settings, select number of copies so you can tap, so you can print up to 99 pages. This is the benefit of it. You can print up to 99 pages instead of you tapping on the color button. So one is selected, then you go back. And also I want us to copy black copy. So select black copy. This is the document we copied, double-sided, copy, color, and also black on the rear tray. So we copy this black, and also we'll show you copy complete, then select OK. This is how to copy document from Canon Print app on your mobile phone. Just put the document and also print out network configuration report that will contain the password for the printer. Thank you very much indeed.